Ah, South Africa, a land where two oceans meet, creating over 2,500 kilometers of jaw-dropping coastline that is as diverse as it is beautiful. From the warm, inviting waves of the Indian Ocean on the east to the rugged, cool Atlantic shores on the west, our beaches have it all: adventure, serenity, and postcard perfect views. Picture this: dramatic cliffs embracing turquoise waters, playful dolphins dancing in the surf, and golden sands stretching as far as the eye can see. Whether you're a sun seeker, a thrill chaser, or just someone who loves a good beach picnic, because who doesn't, right? South Africa's coastline has something for everyone. But wait, it's not just about the beaches. This stretch of paradise is also home to fascinating local cultures, rich marine life, and some of the tastiest seafood you'll ever sink your teeth into. So grab your sunscreen and your sense of adventure, because we're about to explore South Africa's best kept coastal secret. Let us dive in. Iconic beaches you must visit. Now, let's talk about the beaches that make South Africa truly iconic. The ones that'll have your Instagram followers green with envy. Camps Bay in the Western Cape. Camps Bay, Cape Town's superstar beach. This is where the trendy folks go to sip cocktails, bask in the sun, and soak up those jaw-dropping views of the 12 apostles. Think soft white sand, chic restaurants, and sunsets so beautiful they could come with a warning label. Pack your shades, it's not just the sun, the vibes are bright too. Mhlanga Rocks in KwaZulu-Natal. Let's head to the east, to the warm shores of Mhlanga Rocks. This journey is more than just a beach, it's a vibe. With its iconic lighthouse, golden sands, and luxury resorts, it's perfect for family outings or romantic walks. Don't forget the tidal pools, they're like nature's own infinity pools. Then we have the Boulders Beach in the Western Cape. Penguins, yes, you heard me. Boulders Beach isn't just about the soft sand or calm, warm waters. It's about the tuxedoed locals waddling around. African penguins call the spot home. Trust me, watching them shuffle and slide is worth every second. Respect their space though, they are adorable but feisty. Now let's look at Jeffreys Bay in the Eastern Cape. Calling all surfers! Jeffreys Bay is your dream destination, known worldwide for its perfect waves. This beach isn't just a surfer's paradise. It's a laid-back coastal haven. Even if you're not catching waves, watching the pros do their thing is pure entertainment. These iconic beaches offer a mix of luxury, adventure, and natural beauty that's uniquely South African. Whether you're here to surf, snap some photos, or simply relax, these spots will leave you in awe. But wait, there's more. Ready to uncover some hidden gems? Let's go! Now that we've uncovered the stars of South Africa's coastline, let's take a detour to the off-beaten path to discover the hidden gems, the secret beaches you'll want to keep all to yourself. These are the spots where serenity meets natural beauty, perfect for those looking to escape the crowds. Coffee Bay in the Eastern Cape. Coffee Bay isn't just a beach, it's a feeling. Rugged cliffs, soft sand, and the famous hole in the wall make this spot an adventurous dream. It's the kind of place where you can take a hike, surf, or just marvel at the raw, untouched beauty of nature. And then we have Northwood Beach in the Western Cape. Wide, wild, and wonderfully peaceful. Northwood Beach offers miles of unspoiled sand, It's perfect for long walks, horseback rides, or simply soaking in tranquility. Plus, the sunsets here are postcard worthy. Just you, the ocean, and the golden glow of dusk. Uvongo Beach in KwaZulu-Natal. Uvongo Beach is like stepping into a tropical paradise. With its unique waterfall flowing into a lagoon, it's a hit for families and nature lovers. You can paddle in the lagoon, explore the rocky cliffs, or simply enjoy a picnic with a view. Kraalbaai Lagoon in Western Cape, tucked within the West Coast National Park, Kraalbaai Lagoon feels like it belongs in the tropics. The calm, turquoise waters are perfect for kayaking, paddle boarding, or just floating the day away. It's a slice of paradise without a plane ticket. Hidden beaches like these are proof that South Africa's coastline has endless surprises. Whether you're looking for adventure, serenity, or a little bit of both, these gems are worth exploring. So, which one's going on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments. For all the thrill seekers, South Africa's coastline is an adventure playground. Let's dive into the best beaches for adrenaline-pumping activities. Whether you're catching waves, exploring underwater worlds, or soaring through the sky, these beaches have it all. Surfing at Jeffreys Bay in the Eastern Cape. Known as the surfing Mecca, Jeffreys Bay is a world-famous spot for catching perfect waves. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, the surf here is unmatched. Visit during the annual J-Bay Open for world-class surfing action. Snorkeling and diving at Sodwana Bay. This is South Africa's ultimate underwater paradise. With vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life, Sodwana Bay is a haven for divers and snorkelers. Think colorful fish and maybe even a whale shark sighting if you're lucky. Kiteboarding at Strand in the Western Cape. Strand is a hotspot for kiteboarding enthusiasts. With its steady winds and stunning views of Table Mountain, it's a thrill seeker's dream. Plus, you can wind down at a beachfront cafe after an action-packed day. Hiking and beach adventures at Nature's Valley in the Garden Route. Combine hiking with beach relaxation at Nature's Valley. Trails wind through lush forests and end at pristine beaches. It's an adventurous paradise offering both adrenaline and serenity in one place. Marine life encounters. South Africa's beaches are not just about the sand and waves. They are teeming with incredible marine life. Let's explore some of the amazing wildlife you can encounter along the coast. Whale watching in Hermanus in the Western Cape. Hermanus is known as the whale watching capital of the world. From June to November, southern right whales visit these shores to breed. You can spot them from the cliffs or hop on a boat tour for a closer look. Dolphins at Plettenberg Bay in the Garden Route. Playful dolphins are common sight at Plettenberg Bay. Whether you're kayaking or taking a boat tour, these friendly creatures often swim alongside, making your day extra special. African penguins at Boulders Beach in the Western Cape. We can't talk about marine life without mentioning the adorable African penguins at Boulders Beach. Their quirky waddle and charm will leave you smiling. Sharks at Gans Bay in the Western Cape. For the truly daring, cage diving with great white sharks in Gans Bay is the ultimate adventure. It's a bucket list experience you'll never forget. South Africa's beaches are an adventure lover's dream, offering both thrills and unforgettable wildlife encounters. So whether you're diving into the ocean or hiking the hidden coves, there's an adventure waiting for you. Ready to plan your next trip? Let us know your favorite spot in the comments. Alright, you've got the beaches picked and the excitement building. But before you head out, let's talk about a few tips to make your beach getaway smooth, budget-friendly, and downright amazing. Here's your ultimate beach survival guide. Pack smart. Don't just toss everything into a bag, be strategic. Essentials include sunscreen, SPF is your best friend, a wide brim hat, a reusable water bottle, and of course, a good book or playlist for those lazy hours by the water. Invest in a lightweight, sand-free beach mat. It's a game changer. Time you visit. Timing is everything. Head to the beach early to beat the crowds, especially during peak season. Sunrise visits are magical and give you a whole day to soak up the vibe before it gets too busy. Choose affordable accommodation. Skip the pricey beachfront hotels and opt for self-catering cottages, guest houses, or even camping spots nearby. Sites like Lekker and Airbnb are great for finding hidden gems at a budget-friendly rate. Save with snacks and picnics. Beachside cafes can be pricey, so pack a cooler with snacks, sandwiches, and drinks. Freeze your water bottles beforehand, they double as ice packs. Respect nature. Remember to leave the beach as beautiful as you found it. Pack a small bag for trash. Avoid stepping on dunes or disturbing wildlife. And opt for eco-friendly sunscreen to protect the marine life. Stay safe. Always swim in designated areas and look for lifeguard flags. Check the tide schedule to avoid being caught off guard. And if you're venturing into less populated areas, let someone know your plans. Budget for activities. If you're planning activities like snorkeling, boat tours, or kiteboarding lessons, check in advance and look out for group discounts or off-season deals. Planning ahead means no surprise expenses. With these tips in your arsenal, you're ready for an unforgettable beach adventure, from packing the essentials to exploring responsibly. Every moment is going to be worth it. So, where are you headed first? Let us know in the comments. Before you kick back and relax on South Africa's stunning beaches, let's talk about staying safe. The ocean is beautiful, but it demands respect. Here are essential beach safety tips to keep your getaway both fun and worry-free. Swim in designated areas. Always swim in areas monitored by lifeguards. Look for the red and yellow flags marking safe swimming zones. These areas are regularly checked for strong currents and other hazards. Be aware of rip currents. Rip currents are strong channels of water that can pull a swimmer out to sea. If you're caught in one, don't panic. Swim parallel to the shore until you're out of the current, then head back to safety. Follow weather and tide alerts. Check the weather and tide schedules before heading out. Sudden changes in tides or stormy weather can make the ocean dangerous. Many beaches display this information, or you can check online beforehand. Protect your skin. Sunburn can ruin an otherwise perfect day. Apply sunscreen generously and often. Wear a hat and find shade during peak sunlight hours, usually between around 11 and 3. Stay hydrated and watch for heat exhaustion. South African summers can be scorching. Drink plenty of water and keep an eye out for signs of heat exhaustion like dizziness, nausea, or excessive sweating. Keep an eye on the kids. Beaches can be overwhelming for little ones. Always keep children within arm's reach, especially when they are near the water. Equip them with floaties or life jackets if necessary. Respect wildlife. South Africa's beaches are home to incredible marine life, but some creatures like the jellyfish or crabs, can pose a risk. Avoid touching unfamiliar animals and stay cautious in areas known for sharks, unless you're in a cage. Safety first, always. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring your beach day is nothing but sunshine and good vibes. With these tips, you're ready to enjoy South Africa's beautiful coastline while staying safe and sound. And that's a wrap for our ultimate guide to South Africa's breathtaking beaches. Whether you're chasing adventure, looking for hidden gems, or just want to soak up the sun, there's a beach there with your name on it. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which beach you're planning to visit next. Have a hidden gem of your own? Share it below. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey along South Africa's spectacular coastline. Remember, every beach tells a story, and there's no better time to start creating yours. Until next time, happy exploring and see you in the next video.